What's going on, everyone? So in this video we're going to be making our signature Açai Elder Blueberry juice. Now this is truly a juice like none other. It's packed with so many rich nutrients. Just to highlight some of what's in here, we're going to be adding beetroot for some nitrates, and then we're going to be using these Lady Alice apples, although you could use any kind of apples in this recipe that you like. Now we're also going to be adding this homemade elderberry tincture that we recently made. We'll post a recipe video for this soon because it's really easy to make and to keep on hand. And then last but certainly not least, we're going to be adding this acai powder, which has almost 3 times the amount of antioxidants that blueberries have, which is crazy, y'all. And as always, we're going to be using our Vitamix to make this juice so that we get all of the rich benefits that this juice provides. So to start off, we're going to be adding our spinach, followed by our 2 apples, and then our beets, about 3/4 cup total of that, followed by 2 cups of frozen blueberries, our 2 knobs of ginger, 2 tablespoons of acai powder. Then we're going with a 1/2 cup of our elderberry tincture, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then topping it all off with some water. Now the berries that are in this are filled with anthocyanins, which are really going to give it that deep hue, almost a purple Barney-like color. And as you can see there, this is what we call an antioxidant powerhouse. Now with the combo of blueberries, acai berries, and elderberries, you're getting an insane amount of antioxidants from this juice, from the anthocyanins that I mentioned earlier, as well as quercetin, which you can also find in the apples. So you're really going to be benefiting from those anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and neuroprotective benefits. What more could you ask for? Now, if you want to remove the pulp, you can easily do so using a strainer or by removing it with a spoon, as you see here. And you can use the pulp to add into your yogurts or into pancake batter, or you can even put it on top of toast if you want. Now, as always, let us know in the comments what you think of this juice, and don't forget to share this with someone that you love. There's nothing like making that investment in someone else's health and longevity. Oh, and in the meantime, if you want to check out our golden beetroot juice recipe that we call Liquid Gold, then click on this video that you see over here on the right, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.